Hi, my dear students. Good morning to all. This is Kritika. I am handling 10th standard marks. I hope you and your family members are safe at home. Before entering into the session, I just want to share the motivational quotes. Sometimes you will never know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. Let's start the session. Exercise 1.3, fifth question. Let f of x equal to 2x plus 5. If x not equal to 0, then find f of x plus 2 minus f of 2 divided by x. Here the given is f of x. So, given f of x equal to 2x plus 5. Here the condition is x is not equal to 0. So if it is here 0 means it is undefined. So alone they given the condition that is x is not equal to 0. We want to find. So to find the value for f of x plus 2 minus f of 2 divided by x. For this, first of all, we want to find the numerator because here the function is given. So, f of x plus 2 value first we want to find. Next, f of 2 value we want to find. Then, we want to subtract and divide. So, first of all, I have to find the value for f of x plus 2. So, f of x plus 2. In place of x, you have to substitute x plus 2. So, here already they given f of x equal to 2x plus 5. In place of x, you have to substitute x plus 2. So, 2 into x. So, 2 into, in place of x plus 2 plus 5. Now, you have to multiple 2 into x, 2x, plus into plus 2 2s are 4 plus this remaining the constant 5. Here x variable, there is no x variable. So you have to write as it is 4 plus 5, that is add means we get 9. So for f of x plus 2 value is 2x plus 9. Likewise, we want to find the f of 2. So, f of 2 that is equal to 2 into, in place of x, you have to substitute 2. 2 plus 5. So, first of all, you have to multiple, then you have to add because we know the BODMAS rule, that is bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. First of all, you have to solve the bracket, then of, then division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Likewise, alone, we have to use for all simplification. So, here the multiplication is here. So, 2 2s are 4 plus 5. So, 4 plus 5, we get 9. So, f of 2 equal to 9. Now, we have to substitute. In denominator, there is no f of x. Here, just the given x variable. So, you no need to substitute in this f of x because it is not a function. So, the question is f of x plus 2 minus f of 2 divided by x. We already find for this. So, for f of x plus 2, we find 2x plus 9 minus in question itself f of 2 we find 9 divided by x. So plus 9 minus 9, if you subtract means 0, so just cancel it. Then here we have a 2x divided by x. So 2x means that is 2 into x. Here denominator we have a x. So just cancel it. X, if it is cancel means the value is 2. So we find the answer f of x plus 2 minus f of 2 divided by x equal to 2. Sixth question. A function f is defined by f of x equal to 2x minus 3. Here 4 subdivisions are there. First one is find f of 0 plus f of 1 divided by 2. Second one, find the x such that f of x equal to 0. Third subdivision, find the x such that f of x equal to x. Last one, find the x such that f of x equal to f of 1 minus x. Here the function is f of x, that is f of x given equal to 2x minus 3. From this, we want to find these four subdivision. First of all, the first subdivision is find f of 0 plus f of 1 divided by 2. So, first of all, find for f of 0. In place of x, you have to substitute 0. So, f of 0 equal to 2x means 2 into x. So, 2 into 0 minus 3. So, 2 0 0 minus 3, that is equal to minus 3. So, f of 0 equal to minus 3. Then we want to find the f of 1. So, f of 1 equal to 2 into 1 minus 3. So, 2 ones are 2 minus 3. Here we want to subtract. If you subtract means that is we get 3 is bigger. So, sign is minus 1. So, f of 1 equal to minus 1. Next, here we want to substitute. So, f of 0 plus f of 1 divided by 2, that is equal to, here in place of f of 0 minus 3, plus is in already in question itself. For f of 1 we find minus 1 divided by 2. So here you have to multiple. So minus 3 plus into minus 1 divided by 2. So both the signs are equal. So just you have to add and write same sign. So 3 plus 1, 4 minus 4 divided by 2. So here possible to cancel means you have to cancel. So 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. So here we get minus 2 divided by 1. If it is denominator is 1 means we have to write as it is in the whole number. So because if you multiple means we get same answer. So f of 0 plus f of 1 divided by 2. The value is minus 2. Second subdivision, find the x such that f of x equal to 0. Here we want to find the value x. Then here the condition is f of x equal to 0. But in question itself they given for f of x, that is f of x equal to 2x minus 3. So in place of f of x we have to substitute 0 because the condition is given f of x equal to 0. If it is 0 means what is the value for x? So here substitute 0 equal to 2x minus 3. So minus 3 it will become to the left hand side means that is plus 3. So 2x equal to 3. So here 2 into x. So into it will be go that side means that is divide. So x equal to 3 by 2. Likewise for the third subdivision, the third subdivision is find x such that f of x equal to x. So here the given is f of x equal to x, but in question they given f of x equal to 2x minus 3. So in place of f of x you have to substitute x. So x equal to 2x minus 3. So here x is there, here also x variable is there. So it will be go that side means plus x, it will be go that side means minus x. So minus 3 it will become this side means plus 3. So it will be changed. So like this. So plus minus 3 it will become this side means plus 3. Then 2x plus x it will be go that side means minus x. So here we have to subtract because both the variables are same. So the coefficient is 1. So 2 minus 1, we get 1. So it is bigger, 2 is bigger, so positive value. So here x equal to 3. 1 into x, like that if k means 1 into x means x. So x equal to 3. Likewise, the fourth subdivision is find x such that f of x equal to f of 1 minus x. Here the given is f of x equal to f of 1 minus x. So here both the values are in the function. So first of all you have to find the functions for f of x and also f of 1 minus x. So here is f of x equal to f of 1 minus x. F of x already they given equal to what? 2x minus 3. So in place of f of x, if you substitute f of 1 minus x means we get the value. So that is, then we want to find the function, that is f of 1 minus x. So in place of x you have to substitute 1 minus x. So that is equal to, so 2x minus 3 is there. So 2 into 1 minus x minus 3. Now you have to multiple, 2 ones are 2, plus into minus minus, 2 into x, 2x minus 3. Here the variable is there, 2 minus 3. If you subtract means we get minus 1. So minus 2x minus 1. This is value for f of 1 minus x. In question the condition is f of x equal to f of 1 minus x. So now just substitute and find the value for x. So f of x in question 2x minus 3, that is equal to f of 1 minus x. We find that minus 2x minus 1. In one side you have to take x variables. In one side take all the constants values. So minus 2x it will become this side means plus 2x. So 2x plus 2x equal to, here minus 3 is there, it will be go that side means plus 3. So 3 minus 1. Now you have to add 2 plus 2, 4x equal to 3 minus 1. If you subtract means we get 2. So we want to find the x. So here we have 4, that is 4 into x. So into it will be go that side means divide. So x equal to 2 divided by 4. Here we can cancel with the table, 2 table. So 2 2s are 4, 1 2 is 2. So x equal to 1 by 2. Eighth question, a function f is defined by f of x equal to 3 minus 2x. Find x such that f of x squared equal to f of x the whole squared. Here the function is f of x. So given f of x equal to 3 minus 2x. Here we want to find x such that here the condition is f of x squared equal to f of x the whole squared. Here f of x squared, in place of x you have to substitute x squared. So first of all find f of x squared. So f of x squared equal to, in place of x you have to substitute x squared. So 3 minus 2 into x squared. So this is f of x squared. Here in the right hand side f of x the whole squared. So already we know the f of x, that is 3 minus 2x. Just you have to substitute now. So here f of x squared equal to f of x the whole squared. In place of f of x squared we find that 3 minus 2x squared, that is equal to f of x, that is given in the question itself, that is 3 minus 2x the whole squared. So Here the whole squared value is there. In between we have a minus sign. So we have to use the formula, that is a minus b the whole squared equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. In place of a you have to substitute 3. In place of b you have to substitute 2x. In left hand side as it is there, so 3 minus 2x squared, because here not having the whole squared, this is only for the x alone we have the square, so no need to use the formula. Here the whole square is there, so we have to use the formula. So here a squared, so a means 3, so 3 squared minus 2 into 3 into 2x plus 2x the whole squared. Now just to simplify it, so 3 minus 2x squared equal to 3 squared means 3 into 3, that is 9. Here minus into plus minus, so minus into plus minus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 into x 12x plus here 2x the whole square, so 2x into 2x, so just you have to multiple, so 2 2s are 4, x into x, that means x squared. Now you have to take all the terms in the right hand side or otherwise left hand side, because 4x squared is bigger value, so just take these two into the right hand side. So if it is go that side means here there is no number, so 0. Here 9 minus 12x plus 4x squared is already in the right hand side, plus 3 it will be go that side means minus 3, then minus 2x squared it will become this side means plus 2x squared. So just you have to write in the order. So here the simplification, both the values are same degree, so just you have to add. So 4 plus 2 6x squared. Here x value is only 1, so minus 12x. Then here 9 is there, here minus 3, so you have to subtract. So 9 minus 3 we get plus 6 equal to 0. Here see, here 6 x square minus 12x plus 6 is there, so all the terms are divisible by 6. So because we want to know the value for x, so throughout you have to divide it by 6, because see the coefficient here 6, 12, 6. All the numbers divisible by 6. So divisible by 6 means, if it is divisible means 1 6 is 6. So just 1 into x squared we get x squared. Then minus, because plus into minus minus. In 6 table 2 6 are 12. So 2x plus 1 6 is 6, so 1 equal to, if it is divisible by 6 means 0 by 6 we get 0. Then we want to find the value for x, so for this we have to use the splitting method. In 8th standard and 9th standard you have studied that factorize method, like that alone we have to use here. That is, here we want to multiple, this is for the addition. So multiple means you have to write in the top, center term you have to write in between the v cross. So use the same table for the multiplication and also for the addition. So 1 means we want to 1 into 1 we get 1. So if you write 1 into 1 means we get same positive 1. Here we have a minus 2. If you add means we get plus 2 alone, but we want to want minus 2. So if you write both the signs are minus means, now check this, minus into minus plus 1 into 1 we get plus 1. Then if you add means we get what? Minus 2. So the factorization is x minus 1, because here x squared is there, so x minus 1 into x minus 1 equal to 0. So if you have to split means x minus 1 equal to, if it is go this side means, because in between multiplication, so if you multiple means we get what? 0. Likewise same, x minus 1 equal to 0. Minus 1 it will be go that side means plus 1. So x equal to 1. Here also x equal to 1. So factorization we get 2, but the value is same. So therefore the value for x is 1. Ninth question. A plane is flying at a speed of 500 km per hour. Express the distance d traveled by the plane as function of time t in hours. So here one plane is flying at a speed of 500 km per hour. So here the given is speed equal to 500 km per hour. Then express the distance d. So we want to find the distance, and also for by the plane as function of time t in hours. So time is given. So time equal to t in hours. So we want to find the distance. So distance d equal to, we know the formula. So distance equal to speed into time. So you have to just substitute the value. So speed equal to 500. So 500 into time is t. So 500 into t we get 500 t. So d equal to 500 into t kilometer. This is important 2 mark. Dear students, now we enter into the new topic, that is representation of a function. So representation of a function, that is, already we know that representation of a set, because we have 3 forms, that is the descriptive form, set builder form and roster form. Likewise, representation of function, we have a 4 represented form, that is set of ordered pairs, a table form, an arrow diagram and a graphical form. So there are 4 types. Again I have repeat you: set of ordered pairs, a table form, an arrow diagram, a graphical form. So here already we know that for the representation of a function, the function must be which one, that is from 2 we want to know. So here the consider is let f such that f from a to b, that is f's function is from a to b. If it is possible means they given us f from b to a, means you have to first you have to take the b set and second set as a set. Here the condition is a as the first set, b as the second set. So first subdivision, that is for the representation of function is set of ordered pairs. This word already we have to seen, that is we have learned, that is Cartesian product. So we know that for the set of ordered pair means, that is another one name is Cartesian product. Here how to write means, we know that set. So set means you have to first of all write in the set. Before that, in question they didn't give straightforward, they given the condition, that is f of x equal to x plus 3, like that. இப்போ x plus 3 அப்படின்னு கொடுக்குறாங்க அப்படிங்கும்போது we want to find the f of x. In place of x you have to substitute some more values they given. So if it is the x equal to 1 2 3 like that, if given means we have to add. So likewise the operation is there. So addition is they given, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, like that they given in the f of x. So just to see one example for the set of ordered pairs. So set bracket, if it is must for the set of ordered pairs, then here ordered pair is there. So first you have to write from the a set and also for the say b set. So if suppose 1 comma 2, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 8, at last we have to close the set bracket. This is I have taken for example, not for the question. Suppose if it is the given is what means, எப்படி இருக்கும் question எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படிங்கும்போது கொஷனில் அவங்க கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க, செட் ஆஃப் பேர் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க, அந்த இதுலேருந்து நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சி தான் நம்ம ரெப்ரசன்டேஷன் ஆஃப் அ செட் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். ஸோ Then next one. Second one, table form. Some students ask, ma'am, how they ask the questions, ma'am, like that. So if it is in the subdivision alone, அங்கே வந்து ஃபங்க்ஷன்ஸுன்ற கொஷின்ஸ் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. ஃபங்க்ஷன் இஸ் கிவன் பை எஃப் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு சம் கண்டிஷன்ஸ் இஸ் கொடுத்துருந்து அதுலேருந்து நீங்கள் கண்டுபிடிச்சி அந்த இதுலேருந்து அங்கேயே தே மென்ஷன் ஆப்ஷன் ஏ செட் ஆஃப் ஆர்டர் பேஸ் யூ ஹாவ் டு ரைட் அண்ட் டேபிள் ஃபார்ம் ஆரோ டயக்ராம் கிராஃப். They mentioned the 4 subdivision, or otherwise some questions they ask simply 2. If it is what they ask, you have to write, that's enough. Now table form, the value of x and the value of their respective images under f can be given in the form of table. Here table means we know that table form is that is in the boxes, that is a rows and column is there. Here there are 2 columns. From this 2 columns we can make for the boxes according to the given. So here already we have write in the 4 set of ordered pairs. So just you have to take 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because extra I have written. So first you have to mention the value x and f of x because the condition is x and f of x is there. So 1, for 1 we have find 2, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8. Likewise 5, 10. If it is, we find the values for the set of ordered pairs means table form is so easy to solve. Then next one is arrow diagram. Already we have seen the arrow diagram for the sums. Here also see an arrow diagram indicates the elements of the domain of f and their respective images by means of arrow. Here we have to use the arrow diagram means first of all you have to draw the one box like or a oval shape, whatever you have to know, you have to draw that. Here I have choose this one. So x and f of x is there. So function is f means for this a set is here you have to write, b set is here. So here the a set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and b set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. Then for 1 we have to arrow 2, 2 is 4, 3, 5, 4, 8, likewise 5, 6. So likewise for the all the domain we have a respective images, that alone it is a function or otherwise it is wrong. So must be a function means for all the domain we have a respective images. Then at last fourth one is graph. Graph means we know that we have plotted in the graph means for the graph sheet we want to know. No need to use the graph sheet. If you want means you have to draw in graph or otherwise you have to draw in the note itself. Here see that ordered pairs in the collection f equal to set of x comma y such that y equal to f of x, x belongs to a are plotted as point in the xy plane. The graph of f is the totally of all such points. ஸோ ஒரு கிராஃபை நம்ம மென்ஷன் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா எல்லா பாயிண்ட்டும் என்னென்ன பாயிண்ட் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோமோ எல்லா பாயிண்ட்டையுமே அந்த கிராஃபில் மென்ஷன் பண்ணிடணும். ஸோ அதுதான் இங்கே மென்ஷன் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் ஐ ஹவ் ட்ரா ஒன் கிராஃப். ஜஸ்ட் a set and b set are there. So xy plane is there, x, y, origin. So just you have to mention the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for 1, 2, here the example is there. So just you have to point out 3, 6, 4, 8. So just you have to mention that 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 6 and 4, 8. Likewise you have to mention then you have to join the points. That's it for the graph. So no need to do, that is if it is possible means you have to draw the graph sheet or otherwise you have to draw simply. Then by using the scale pencil alone, no need to draw lethargically by using the pen. No, don't do like that. Then one condition is there for graph. Here see that is every function can be represented by a graph, by a curve in a graph, but not every curve drawn in the graph will represent as a function. அதாவது நம்மளால வந்து எல்லா கர்வையுமே நம்மளால கிராஃப்ல வரைய முடியும். பட் ஆல் த கிராஃப் தட் இஸ் நாட் அ ஃபங்க்ஷன். Here two test is there. So if it is used means that test will help you it is a function or not. See the example 1.11. Let A equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to set of 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 be two sets. Let f from A to B be a function given by f of x equal to 3x minus 1. Represent this function. Here first subdivision is by arrow diagram, second one in a table form, third one as a set of ordered pairs, fourth one in a graphical form. So first of all we want to find this is function means for find 4 subdivisions. So here given us A equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to set of 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Here already the given is let f from A to B. So A to B means A as domain, B as a codomain. From this here the function is f of x equal to 3x minus 1. So 3x minus 1 means here from A to B. So A to B means you have to substitute the x value. Then we the answer must be in the B set. So here x equal to 1. So f of 1 equal to 3 into x means 3 into 1 minus 1. So 3 ones are 3 minus 1. So if you subtract means we get 2. 2 is in the B set. Then likewise x equal to 2. F of 2 equal to 3 into 2 minus 1. So 3 2s are 6 minus 1 5. So 5 also in the B set. X equal to 3. F of 2 equal to f of 3 equal to 3 into 3 minus 1. So 3 3s are 9 minus 1. So we get 8. So 8 also in the B set. Then x equal to 4. F of 4 equal to 3 into 4 minus 1. So 3 4s are 12 minus 1. We get 11. So all the terms are in the B set. For A set we have only 4. So for 4 we find the function. Now we want to find the represent their function. First one is arrow diagram. First one an arrow diagram. For the arrow diagram, first of all you have to use the scale and pencil here for the diagrams and for the table and also for the graph. So for arrow diagram, A to B the function is there. So A to B. So A set is that is 1, 2, 3, 4. B set is 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. Here the function is f. So in between you have to write f. For 1 we find 2. 2 we find 5. 3 we find 8 and 4 find 11. So it is a function or not function because for all the domain value we have a exact only unique images. Then second one is table form. So for the table form here is condition is x and f of x. So What are the values we find? That values alone you have to write. So x, f of x. So first x is 1, we have substitute. For 1 we get 2. Then 2 we have substitute. Then we get 5, 3, 8, 4, 11. Then third subdivision is set of ordered pairs. So set of ordered pair means we have to use the function f. So f set of, here the pair is x comma f of x, we have to write. So 1 comma 2, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 8 and 4 comma 11. At last, that is fourth one is graphical form, or otherwise you have to write just graph. That is, for the graph x and y plane, for the x values that is less, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4 enough. For y values we have up to 11. So here x, that is y. So 0, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Extra if you want to means you have to draw, that is no problem. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then for the y values up to 11 we want. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So for 1 we find 2. So point the values. Then 2 we have 5. Mark the points, allocated places. So because if you plot the point is wrong means the line is different is there. So 3 we have 8. Here I know that, so alone I have slightly point out. If you didn't know means you have to use a scale like that, you have to point out. Then for 4, here we have a 11. So just you have to write the points 1 comma 2, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 8 and 4 comma 11. Then join all the points. Here the point is slightly different. So place a point. By using the graph means it is so easy to plot the points. For the paper it is so difficult because slightly changed values because I didn't use the measurements. So here if you draw that in your note means use the measurements and draw it. Again I have repeat you. கொடுத்துருக்க கொஷின் உங்களுக்கு வந்து இது வந்து ரொம்பவே ஈஸியான கொஷின் தான். ஸோ இது ஒன்ஸ் ஒரு சில சமயம் வந்து 5 மார்க் கொஷின்ஸாகவும் கேட்பாங்க. ஸோ கெட் ரெடி. ஸோ ரெப்ரசன்டேஷன் ஆஃப் அ ஃபங்க்ஷன் அப்படின்னாவே 4 டைப்ஸ், தட் இஸ் செட் ஆஃப் ஆர்டர்ட் பேர்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆரோ டயக்ராம், டேபிள் ஃபார்ம் அண்ட் கிராஃபிக்கல் ஃபார்ம். ஸோ இந்த 4க்குமே வந்து நமக்கு எந்த ஃபங்க்ஷன்லேருந்து எதுன்றது நமக்கு தெரியணும். ஸோ அந்த ஃபங்க்ஷன் கரெக்டாக இருக்கா, ஏ செட்லேருந்து பி செட்டுக்கு போகும்போது அந்த பி செட்டில் இருக்க டேர்ம்ஸு பியில் இருக்கான்றதை செக் பண்ணணும். எக்ஸ்ட்ராவும் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. ஸோ தட் இஸ் நோ ப்ராப்ளம். ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு செக் வித் த ஃபங்க்ஷன் and then you have to draw that arrow diagram, table, then set of ordered pairs already we have known. கிராஃப் மட்டும்தான் உங்களுக்கு ப்ராப்ளமாக இருக்கும். ஸோ கிராஃப் வரையும் போது கிராஃப் ஷீட்டில் வரையணுமா மேம், இல்லை நோட்லேயே நீங்கள் வரைஞ்ச மாதிரியே வரையலாமா, தாராளமாக வரையலாம். ஸோ தட் இஸ் நோ ப்ராப்ளம். அதே மாதிரி மெஷர்மெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து அக்யூரேட்டாக இருக்கணுமா அப்படிங்கிறது, ஒரு சில பேர் வந்து மெஷர்மெண்ட் அக்யூரேட்டாக வச்சு ட்ரா பண்ணுவீங்க, ஒரு சில பேர் வந்து மெஷர்மெண்ட் இல்லாமல் ஏனோ தானோன்னு வரைவீங்க. பெட்டர் மெஷர்மெண்ட்ஸோடையே நீங்கள் வரைய பாருங்கள். அதாவது சும்மா கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமாக ஸ்கேலில் பாயிண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணி வரைஞ்சிங்க அப்படின்னா அது ஈஸியாகவும் இருக்கும். ஸோ அந்த ஒரு ரீசனுக்காக தான் சொல்கிறேன். இல்லைனாலும் no problem, you have to draw by using the scale. You have to just draw the line and point out the numbers and plot the points for the respective values. Write your CW neatly and properly, dears. Again and again I have repeat you. Okay dears, thank you.